A very delightful morning to all my loving students. This is Alpna Shukla and once again welcome back to you all in biology class. As we are learning about our environment, before that we have learned about the abiotic and biotic. Under that now today we are going to learn about some algae and some other microorganisms. So in that plankton are very minute or microscopic organisms freely floating on the surface of water in a pond, lake, river or ocean. These are two types, zooplankton or phytoplankton. The microscopic aquatic plant freely floating on the surface of water are called phytoplankton or algae. The microscopic aquatic animal freely floating on the water are called zooplanktons. For example, protozoa. These are some pictures or examples. Decomposers. The microorganisms which break down the complex organic compound present in dead and decayed organisms like dead plants and animals and their product like feces, urine, etc. into simpler substance are called decomposer. Means the organisms which get their food or their nutrition from the dead and decayed plant are known as decomposer. The bacteria and fungi act as a decomposer via the secretion of their body surface which decompose the organic matter present in dead plants and animals into simple substance and liberate ammonia, carbon dioxide, etc. The bacteria which act as a decomposer are called purifying bacteria. Decomposer help in the recycling of material in ecosystem. The decomposer are also known as the micro consumers or saprophytes. There are different types of decomposers. All the organisms that break down dead or decayed organisms and doing so carry out the natural process of decomposition. For example, fungi, bacteria and worms. So first is fungi. Fungi, over 50,000 species of fungi. There are some example of fungi are mushroom, mildew, mold, etc. Penicillin and other antibiotic are made up from the fungi. Bacteria. Nucleus is not found in that. These are the pre-existing animals and recycling the dead plants and animal by the turning them into a mineral and nutrition that the plant can use. That can be seen only with a microscope. Worms have both male and female organs. Earthworm eat dead plants and animals. Exit wastes in the form of course rich in nutrients like the nitrogen, phosphorus and potash loosened in the soil. That's why this is known as the best friend of farmer. And important of decomposers. Why the decomposers are important in our environment? Because the decomposer help in decomposing the dead bodies of plants and animals and hence act as the cleaning agent of environment. These are known as the cleaner of environment. It is only due to presence of decomposer that the virus or various nutrients elements which were initially taken by the plant from the soil, air and water are returned to the soil. Air and water after a death of plant and animals, the decomposer organisms help in recycling the material in the ecosystem so that the process of life may go on and on like an undealing chain. So that's all for today. In next class we will learn about the ecosystem or food chain and food web. Thank you and have a nice day.